Ross, dimmi tutto. Sì, passamelo. Hello, Mr. Weathers, good morning. How is everything? Very fine. Yes, also here everything is fine. Thank you so much. Mr. Weathers, I called you because I have received your email, and I thank you also for calling me back, because I need an information that is missing on the data sheet. Could you please tell me the bulk density of the transported material? Very nice. Okay. No, I think I will be able to make the quotation for you by the end of the day, because all the data are clear. Thank you so much. Ciao, have a good day. Bye. This is a typical call we receive daily from our international customer. This morning I'm going to make the quotation for Mr. Weathers for sure. But today we are going also to have a visit, a sort of tour of Fansider, and we check the philosophy behind our method of construction. So, welcome to Fansider. Fansider SRL is a mechanical company with 40 years of experience in the designing and manufacturing of equipment for bulk solid handling and processing systems for the different needs of a variety of industries. Fansider's goal is to provide a tailored solution for customers looking for high-quality standards. Our trip starts here, in the production department. The internal screw for conveying, dosing, or mixing is our core business. According to the product to handle and the application required in the process, we are able to design many different types of screws, starting from the shape, screw thickness and tubing deflection, up to surface and welding roughness, with the possibility of making specific linings. Fansider provides general arrangement drawing to our customer, and the customer is able to ask for any revision of the drawing before the approval. But once the drawing is approved, raw materials and commercial components are purchased. Ciao Mauri, buongiorno. Maurizio, my colleague here, is checking the casing that has been developed according to the detailed drawings of that specific project. Maurizio will check all the internal and external dimension, because this casing must fit with the drawing approved. What makes the difference between standard equipment and Fansider's equipment is the designing phase. In fact, Fansider Technical Department designs every single machine according to your specification, and only after your official drawing approval, the production starts. In this way, during the designing phase, you are free to make all the modification needed, revision after revision, avoiding mistakes or misunderstandings. While Maurizio is working and checking the casing, my friend here, Simone, is welding. Once the raw materials are checked and the internal screws are ready to be assembled, there you go, we are in the assembling phase. Before doing the assembling, we do a primer internally with our painting system. A quick curiosity that I want to show you. When the screw conveyor is properly assembled, it should be moved easily by hand. When the assembling is complete and painting as well, we do the final check of the equipment before the release. Maurizio over there does the following. First of all, we check the amperage of the motor. We let the screw run for 10-15 minutes. We check if there is any unusual or not correct vibration, and this is the way we try to avoid 100% any possible claims from the customer. As part of our ISO 9001 certification, each equipment is checked before dispatch through our inspection and test plan. Each machine comes with its own metal label with specific reference code to help you requesting further spare parts or information. Previously, we spoke about the importance of the designing phase, and here we are. This is the technical department. And this is my colleague Eddie.
Good morning.
Eddie, could you please show us the screw we have seen previously downstairs?
Yes, of course.
Very good. I would like to see if we have already the weight and the general dimension.
Yes. 390 kilograms.
Okay, let's say 400 to be on the safe side.
Yeah. I would say this is long.
Well, the dimension, I think you are going to complete the packing list, right?
Yes. 5 meter enough. I would say 6 meter for the box, for the crate, and about 1 meter.
Okay.
All right.
This is mainly what we do when the screw conveyor is completed. We complete all the documentation, the declaration of incorporation, the assembly manual and so on, and then we have only to pack and to dispatch. Ciao Ross, buongiorno!
Ciao Pier, buongiorno.
Com'è andato il trasporto della settimana scorsa?
Tutto bene, è arrivata la mail stamattina e è andato in consegna.
Ottimo! She is Rossella. She is the head of the logistic department here in Fansider. When the screw conveyors or equipment made by Fansider is ready to be dispatched, we are also able to offer packing and delivery suitable for the destination required by the customer. We are able to provide packing for sea freight, air freight, or by truck. And according to the different Incoterms required by the customer, we are also able to deliver from South America to North America, Africa, Asia, of course, Australia, Japan, and mostly Europe. The journey in Fansider ends here, and I really thank you for watching. Ciao! Have you seen the aquarium? It's very nice. Fansider, beyond standard limit.